You ever watch a dream manifest? Dream manifest, dream manifest.
Real life.
It's nothing like it, it's nothing like it.
Well, setting up this camera was more workout than my actual workout.
If you ain't got a dream, you ain't got nothing. A lot of niggas changed on me when I got money. Say it come with the game, and this what I wanted. So I'ma hustle like the first time I got fronted for the love of the green and the love of the team. Put together a circle that couldn't come in between. Went from laying in my pockets to using money machine.
Welcome to Vienna, Habibis. I'm in my office in the city center of Vienna right now. The cool thing is that I've got all this space to myself. In about 5 minutes, my personal assistant, who actually lives here, will join me and we'll have a work session together here, which is really cool because I already envisioned myself sitting here with all my team. Having everyone sit here would be cool, but most of them are very international, so they sit in different countries across different continents. So today it will just be me and my assistant. Today's Monday, the 11th of November, and the week ahead will be pretty much just in the routine, working every day. So from here, then going to the gym, playing tennis, playing paddle. That's the daily routine, I would say. So in just a second, I want to talk about what exactly I do and how I earn my money. But for now, my personal assistant just texted me that he's here now. So we're gonna go downstairs and pick him up real quick. Okay, so one question many of you have probably asked themselves is, what do I actually do? How come I'm 21 years old, travel around the world? How do I make my money? So to answer those questions, let me tell you the 4 things that I'm currently focusing on. So the 4 things I'm working on right now is, first of all, the Investors Academy, which is the company I founded 2 years ago, which is a copy trading platform. So we have our trader and our clients can automatically copy that trader. That's why it's called copy trading. I'm going to be talking more about it in detail later on, but for now, that is the first thing that I'm working on at the moment. The second thing is that because our trading strategy with the copy trading platform is working that well and the numbers are that great, I'm actually about to launch my own hedge fund around that exact trading strategy. So that means that because the numbers we did this year, I can actually update them right now. I think year to date, we're up 83%. So those numbers are incredibly great and way better. By far, we outperform the S&P 500 or bigger ETFs, all that stuff. So because our numbers are that well, investors with more money are lining up and wanting to invest into that same trading strategy. So that's why I thought it would be the way to go now to launch an official hedge fund around that trading strategy. So that's the second thing I'm working on right now, is to launch that hedge fund. Third thing is all about content. My Instagram, my YouTube videos like the one right now. I want to focus more on growing the YouTube account, reaching more people, and just, shooting a behind the scenes of my life, showing a little of the daily life and all of that stuff. So I'll be editing content now for the next few hours. And the fourth and last thing, which has the most priority right now, because we're in Q4 of 2024, is trading. So I'm also trading a lot by myself. Right now, I have a shit ton of positions open on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the S&P 500, because Q4s are known to just be very bullish and very green. So we have a lot of open Bitcoin orders running. So Bitcoin just a few days ago officially broke $80,000 for the first time. Now we're already at almost $82,000, absolutely insane. But I think there's a lot more coming. So for the next few hours, I'm now going to be editing a few videos. Next to me, I have my lovely assistant, so we're going to be working together. And then, probably that's all I do for the rest of the day. Tomorrow I've got another tennis game. And then, as I said, before, this week it will be more about the daily routine and just working a lot. And then just hoping that the trades all go as I plan it out, but it really looks that way. So right now, everything 10 out of 10.
I'm focused and have very few friends. Self-respect with some green eyes and that suntan. Self-made, now you're self-paid with your own plans. Your family was so proud of you لما تركتي البلاد. سلمي على السيد وسلمي على تيتا وسلمي على جاد أخوكي.
But it's crazy. I opened this one yesterday and it's already 7k in profit. Like, it's just like every day I just open orders and like 10k profit overnight, 10k profit.
Never had a lot, this is all I need. People never care till it's RIP. Niggas turn their back on me for no good reason. Loyalty is priceless and it's all I need. Can't burn a bridge just to light my way. Lot of 42 on the flights I'm taking. Pouring out my soul and it might sound crazy. Lot of falling outs help me build foundation. Never had a lot, this is all I need. People never care till it's RIP. Niggas turn their back on me for no good reason. Never had a lot, this is all I need. Lost individuals is all I see. Grab the top spot like part of my reach. Woke up one day and it was all on me. If it comes down, it's gonna fall on me. Lot of 42 on the flights I'm taking. Long way down from the heights I'm chasing.
I'm currently on my way to the office. I just got back from 3 hours of paddle and tennis. So I played 2 hours paddle, and then afterwards I had a tennis session. So definitely enough sports for the day. Now I'm on the way into the city, to the office, as I said. And as I already said in the beginning of this video, this week is more like in the routine. So I'm really just back to back on meetings, trading, analyzing the market, editing the videos, just a lot of routine work, and then a lot of sports in the evening or in the morning. Not the most exciting week of my life, but that's not what these videos are about, right? So this is just the real life. Next week I'm going to Paris, so this is going to be a bit more exciting, and hopefully if Bitcoin hits 100k soon, it's also going to be a bit more exciting. But for now we're going to stick to the routine. I just had lunch in today's office, and I must say I'm really happy to be in Vienna. Growing up here, I never really liked the city. I always wanted to live on the countryside. For example, in Luxembourg, so I'm half Luxembourgish and half Austrian, for those of you who don't know. But I grew up in Vienna. And maybe also now, because I travel to so many places, and because I don't have to be here, now I can actually fully enjoy it. So if I'm here for 2 to 4 months of the year, which is going to be the case this year, then I actually really enjoy it. Because I can also afford the nice places, like in the first district, in the city center. I can go to all the nice restaurants and actually explore the city the way I like exploring cities. So yeah, since I came back to Vienna and like back to family, back to the roots, I felt really grounded and grateful for everything that I built myself over the past 2 years, and especially this winter, I believe, is again going to be a pretty big life changer for me with all the trades I have open. I'm really big on crypto right now. Let's quickly check. I believe the Bitcoin is currently trending at $90,900. So yeah, all my positions are very much in the green. So if everything continues to go as planned, then yeah, even more dreams will become reality. I don't want to talk about it too much yet because it hasn't happened yet. Bitcoin hasn't hit 100k just yet, and I'm probably gonna realize most of my profits at the first step at 100k. I'm gonna keep trading afterwards, but for now I have most of my sell orders at $99,000. And the cool thing is I've got a few very exciting things planned for when Bitcoin finally hits 100k. The first one would be that we get a big, probably orange cake and just celebrate it, obviously the profits and just everything. And then second of all, I'm gonna get, to honor Bitcoin, an orange Lambo. And we're gonna drive around the city, explore the city that way, and I just love driving. I love driving through cities. So even though this wasn't the most exciting week, I'm still very excited because I love my work. I love putting in the hours and then afterwards seeing the results. I love planning things and strategizing and analyzing the markets and then seeing that everything played out exactly as I had it in my mind. There's barely any other feelings that are as satisfying as that. So I really hope you enjoyed watching these videos. I hope you can take your own lessons or inspirations here and there, but if you're a young person yourself, I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to sometimes sacrifice a few things or parties or socializings in order to get to your goals, in order to spend enough time on the things you want to build and you want to create. And if it's not just for yourself, if you're, for example, not as interested in all the materialistic stuff like watches, nice bags or nice cars or whatever, I get that, I fully get that. But then, if not for yourself, do it for your family. My biggest motivation, I believe, right now is my family. I want to give back to all the people I love, all the people around me, and then after that, the next step is going to be to give back to everyone else around me, to start charity projects and so much more, just to give back, because that's where I find the most satisfaction and that's what makes me the happiest, to see how happy I can make people if I just give back, if I spend time with them. It doesn't even have to be money. It's just like spending time with your family. You only have one family. You only have one mom and one dad. And I couldn't be more happy to spend so much time with them right now. So I hope you can take yourself 5 to 10 minutes to just think about what you want, because it certainly doesn't have to be the exact same as I want, but just think about what you want and what is important for you. And yeah, as I said, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope to see you in the next one. Come on, Bitcoin, go to 100K.